In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add bulk verified reviews for WooCommerce products step by step. If you're launching a new store, migrating from another platform, or simply want to import customer feedback at scale, this method will save you hours of manual work. Instead of adding reviews one by one, we'll upload them in bulk and make sure they appear as verified purchases inside WooCommerce. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the most important mapping step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce and WordPress guides. Let's get started. The first step is preparing your review data in a CSV file. You'll need to create a spreadsheet using either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Inside this spreadsheet, each row should represent a single review. Typically, you'll want columns for the product ID or product SKU, the reviewer's name, the reviewer's email, the review content, the rating value, the review date, and most importantly, a column for verified status. This verified column is what tells WooCommerce that the review comes from a confirmed purchase. Make sure your data is clean, with no empty required fields and no formatting issues. Once your spreadsheet is complete, download it as a CSV file. This file format is required for the import process. Next, we need to install the correct import tool inside WordPress. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then click Add New. In the search bar, type Product Import Export for WooCommerce by WebToffee. This is the plugin we'll use to handle the bulk import. Once you find it, click Install Now and then click Activate. After activation, you'll see a new menu item in your dashboard called WebToffee Import Export Basic. This plugin allows you to import different WooCommerce data types, including product reviews. Now it's time to run the bulk upload. In your WordPress sidebar, go to WebToffee Import Export Basic and click Import. You'll see a drop-down labeled Post Type. From that drop-down, select Product Review. This is very important because we are not importing products, we are importing reviews. After selecting Product Review, click on Step 2 to select the import method. Choose to upload your CSV file from your computer, then select the CSV file you prepared earlier. Once the file is uploaded, click on Step 3 to map import columns. This is the most critical part of the entire process. Here, the plugin will try to automatically match your CSV columns to WooCommerce review fields. Carefully review each mapping. Make sure the reviewer name matches the author field, the email matches the reviewer email field, the review content matches the comment field, and the rating is mapped correctly to the rating field. Now for the verified part. Look for the field labeled verified or comment_approved depending on your setup. You need to ensure that your CSV column for verified status is properly mapped to this WooCommerce field. Typically, you'll use a value like 1 or yes to indicate a verified review. If this mapping is incorrect, the reviews may import but they won't display as verified purchases, so double check this step before continuing. After confirming all mappings are correct, click on Step 4 for advanced options. In most cases, the default settings are fine, but you can quickly review them to make sure everything looks good. Then click Import to start the process. The plugin will now process your CSV file and automatically create all the reviews in bulk. Depending on how many reviews you're importing, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the import is complete, go to one of your product pages on the front end of your site and refresh it. You should now see all your reviews displayed, including the verified purchase badge for the ones you marked correctly in your CSV file. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add bulk verified reviews for WooCommerce products quickly and efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future WooCommerce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.